Dear friends, this is Adnan Arif and today we are going to discuss the next part of our lecture. The topic was interactive phonetic chart for English pronunciation, in which we discussed that there are 44 sounds in English language, in which 24 are consonants and 20 are vowels. In our previous lecture number 94, we also observed the symbols of consonants and studied their sounds. We have already discussed that monopthongs have single sound quality, whereas diphthongs have double sound quality. Monopthongs are further divided into two categories. Number 1, short vowels. Number 2, long vowels. Short vowels are 7 in number, whereas long vowels are 5 in number. Similarly, diphthongs are 8 in number. Okay friends, it's time to observe the symbols of vowels and listen their sounds carefully. So let's have a look. Here in orange box there are monopthongs and in green box there are diphthongs. Friends, keep in mind that in International Phonetic Chart each long vowel is written in a double dot like this. However, for your better understanding, I have tagged both short and long vowels with L and S. L stands for long and S stands for short. Here I highlight the long vowels. Let's start to understand long and short vowels. Yes, exactly, I'm talking about the monopthongs. So keep in mind each symbol of the vowel and try to listen the sounds carefully, which after that you may have a lot of practice on your own.
E, I, E, I, E, I, E, C, I, sit. O, U, O, U, O, U, O, good. U, two. E, 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 egg, away. Or, or, her, or, court. A, cat, cut. Father. On.
Now listen with transcription.
E, C, I, sit. O, good. U, two. E, egg. Away. Her, or, court. A, cat. Cut. Father. On.
Now listen diphthongs carefully.
Ear, 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 here. A, eight. Ur, cure. Oi, boy. O, no. Air, there. I, my. Ow, now.
Dear friends, if you like our video, write your opinion in comments and don't forget to subscribe our channel English with Adnan Arif. Thanks for watching us. Stay connected. Take care.